I'm going to show you how you can easily solve the Telegram video play problem on an iPhone. First, open your Telegram application and check if the issue persists. Now go back and open your iPhone settings. Tap on Wi-Fi and check your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. Next, go back and tap on General. Then scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. Tap on VPN and turn off the toggle for status. Now go back and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then tap on Reset Network Settings. After that, go back and tap on Date and Time. Ensure that Set Automatically is enabled. Then go back and tap on Software Updates. If there's an update available, tap on Update Now. Finally, go back and open the App Store. Search for Telegram and make sure your app is updated to the latest version.